Hey everyone, it's Ashland and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be unboxing a Brandy Melville package. I got this today, like probably an hour ago, and I'm really excited to open it. So without further ado, let's get started. On the front of it, it just has a little sticker right there. I sprayed it because they say to like clean your boxes when you get them. I don't know if it like does anything, but yeah, I sprayed the box with like Lysol, and that's why it has like spray marks on it. But I'm going to be unboxing it now, and I'm not using my mini scissors because I don't think they're strong enough to open this. And if you're wondering how long this box took to arrive at my house, it took about 6 days for them to ship it, so that was already like almost a week. But all in all, it took about 2 weeks, I'd say, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, it's because they took like 6 days to ship, but I'm not really mad about it. It's pretty normal for places to take longer to ship right now. But I opened the box up, and I've only ordered from Brandy 2 times, so this is my second time. This is what it looks like when you open it. It's just in the wrapping paper. Take the wrapping off. Last time they sent like the postcard on top and everything, but this time they didn't. They sent it in the middle. So they sent this postcard. I got another one last time and it said Hawaii, and then it had like a Mercedes in the background. But I got this one this time. And I'll show you the stickers first. So I got this Newport sticker. Just says Newport on it. It's really cute. Then I have my confirmation order. I'm not going to show that because it's just what I ordered. And I got another sticker, and it says Newport Beach. Last time I only got 1 sticker, and it was the Brandy sticker. So I'm really happy I got 2 this time. But on to what I bought. Okay, I was going to buy this last time, but I wasn't sure if I really wanted it. But I went back on the website, and I was like, okay, I'll just get it. So it looks like this. It's actually really cute. And I got it because I don't really have anything pink in my closet. So I decided to get this. It's just a pink shirt, and I really like it. I'm pretty sure this will fit me. Hopefully it does. If you didn't know, Brandy Melville is one size fits all, which isn't like great because not everyone fits into one size. This is what the shirt looks like. And I tried getting shirts that weren't really cropped because I don't really like crop tops, but this is really cute and I really like it. This looks like that. It doesn't have the tag on it for some reason. This top, I'm not really sure what it's called. I think this is the Brenda Tank, and this one was $16. So it just looks like that in the back of it. Okay, so here is the Brenda Tank. It just looks like this, and it's a really pretty color. I really like the color of it, and it's a super soft shirt. And right here you can see the little design that the top has. It just goes pink and then a little line of white, and the rest is black. And then on the back of the shirt it just does the same thing. But I really like this shirt, and I really love the color of it, and once again it was $16. And then this next top, I just love the color of it, and once again I don't have this color in my closet, so it just looks like this. They don't have the tags on them. I'm not sure why, because the other ones do, but these ones don't. This one looks bigger than my other Zelly top, which is good because the other Zelly top fit me, but it was a little bit too small, but this one looks bigger, and it just looks like this. It's this really pretty green color, and this one was $18. It's just the button down. Here is the Zelly top, and it's this green color, and it just has the button down, and you can wear this either with a tank top under and you can unbutton it, or you can wear it this way with all the buttons buttoned. And I really like this top. It's a really simple one, and this one was $18. The next top I got looks like this. I loved the last t-shirt I got from them, so I decided to get another one, and this one has the tag on it, but this one is called the Helen top. Wait, that's not this one. Yes it is. Yeah. Okay, this one is the Helen top, and it was $24. And is this embroidered? Yep. It has embroidery on it, which is really nice. So it just says Aspen, Colorado, and it has 3 little hummingbirds on it, and I love hummingbirds. So that's why I really liked this shirt, and it's just green like the last one I got, except this one is shorter, so it's not like super long, but it's not a crop top, it's just like regular length, and it's just plain on the back. This one is the Helen top. I would probably wear it exactly how I'm wearing it right now, with just some shorts. I really like it. I love the color of it. It reminds me of the other one I have, But like I said earlier, the main reason why I got it was because of the little hummingbirds. But that is this top, and it was $24. Next top I got, I've been wanting an off-the-shoulder top, so I saw this one on their website and decided to get it. It has a tag. I don't know why the first two didn't, but this is called the Blythe Tank. I think that's how you say it. And it was $18. Looks like this. It is kind of short, but I'm planning to wear it with like a skirt that's high-waisted, so it should be fine. But it just looks like this. It's just one shoulder. And then on the other side, it has this, but that just goes inside. So yeah, oh my gosh, I keep dropping it. It just looks like that. It's really simple. It's a one-shoulder tank top. I really like that one. So this is the Blythe Tank. I'm not really sure if I'm saying that right, but this one was $18, and I'm wearing it with this like cheetah skirt that I have. I think this is cheetah. Just looks like this. Brandy Melville has this shirt on their website with this skirt that looks similar to this one. This one isn't Brandy Melville, but that's why I got this top, because I've had this skirt and I saw the top with a skirt like this and I thought it looked really cute, so that's why I decided to get it. And it just has one of the sides on the shoulder and the other side is off the shoulder, so it just looks like that. And yeah, it's not as cropped as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like right here, so I'm super happy, because when I held it up, it looked a lot shorter. I'll do the accessories last, because this time I decided to get accessories. This shirt I got because I don't have a shirt like this. Like, I have the design of it, but I don't have this color, so that's why I decided to get this one. And I actually like how it's longer than another one I'll have. I'll show you guys that one right now. But it just looks like this. It's a pink color, and it's actually longer than the other one I own, which is really nice, because like I said, I don't really like crop tops. And this one is called the Ashland top, and it was $16. I'll show you guys the other one I have, because I'm pretty sure this one's longer. It's a bit longer. I don't know if you guys can see the back of it right there, but it is a little bit longer than this one. This is the one I got a very long time ago. It was like one of my first Brandy Melville pieces, and it just has like little cherries on it, but it's like an Ashland top too, just with a different design. I think this one might be a little bit longer, but I just really liked the color of it. Here is the Ashland top, and this one is $16 and just looks like this. It's a really light pink color. It almost looks white, but it's very light pink, and it looks like this close up. As you guys can see, it is light pink. You can see when the material's folded. And my favorite part about this is the neckline, because you can always see the necklace that you're wearing. This one is actually longer than the other one I have, which is right here, because this one fits like this up to right here, so it has a little bit more fabric than this version of it. That's this top. I'm really happy that a lot of the tops that I got aren't like really crop tops. I can just wear high-waisted things with them, but overall I like everything I got, and this top was $16. And I did decide to get accessories. So the first accessory I got was this headband. It's just a white headband. I don't have a plain white headband, so it just looks like this. I've seen a lot of people wear these like on Pinterest, and it looks super cute, so that's why I decided to get one. And this was $4. Actually feels really soft and like good material, so that's good. But that's this. And then when you order like accessories, like earrings, rings, or something like that, it just comes in a little like package like this, or at least that's what I've seen from a lot of the reviews that I've seen. When you open it up, got 2 pairs of earrings. So the ones I'm actually wearing right now are Brandy. These ones right here, the little ones, these ones are from Target, but these little ones are from Brandy, and I really like them, so I decided to get more. And these ones are, I don't think they really have names, but these ones are the silver textured infinity hoops, and they are $4. I'm not going to try these on just because you guys can see what they look like, but they're just little hoop earrings with like a little engraved design on them. And the second ones that I got were these ones, and I really like these. Pura Vida had some that looked really similar to them, so that's why I decided to get these ones. The ones on Pura Vida's website were I think $15, and these were $5. And if you're wondering what these are called, they're called the silver, nope, that's the other one. Silver pearl hoop earrings. Yes, that is what these are called. So they just look like this, and they have little pearls on them, but they're just hoop earrings. I really like everything I got, and like I said in the beginning, this will be a try on haul, so each time I try on a piece, you'll see the top and what it looks like on. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!